may lookout bulletin order na laban sa dating head coach ng Ateneo na si Tab Baldwin. Iginiit naman ng PNP-CIDG na hindi aksidente ang trahedya sa pagkalunod ni Rene Baterbonia at Divine Adili. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan si Gio Robles.
Bago pa magsimula ang kanilang training, tinanong na raw ni Coach Tab Baldwin kung sino ang hindi marunong lumangoy sa Ateneo basketball team. Isa sa mga nagtaas ng kamay ang nasa wing si Divine Adili. Base yan sa salaysay ni Ian Espinosa ng Blue Eagles sa Town Hall ng Ateneo de Manila University.
Sa unang kamay, kami na JM. Tapos yun sila Rene. Sino rin marunong lumangoy? Sila rin. Tapos sabi niya, sila Divine, hindi marunong lumangoy. So yung mga hindi marunong lumangoy, dito lang kayo sa malapit. Baga. Tapos yung exercise lang is, sundan lang si Coach Dean sa shore. Tapos yun lang, kailangan lang. Kung hindi mo kaya lumangoy, okay lang maglakad.
Ayon naman kay Andrew Bongo, sinubukan ni EJ Capihe na iligtas si Adili dahil hindi ito marunong lumangoy.
EJ was actually, he was helping Divine as much as he could. But when I was trying to help others, he was trying to bring his body like in, but Divine was already like unconscious.
Maging si Baldwin, sinubukan din daw na iligtas sila pero hindi niya raw kinaya ang tubig.
Mind you, Coach Tab just went to get Ian because he didn't know how to swim. So when he came back, he was like struggling to breathe. He's like 68 years old. Like I told him, like, Coach Divine's gone, and then everybody panicked.
Kanina, isa-isang dumating ang mga miyembro ng Ateneo Men's Basketball Team sa NBI para magbigay ng kani-kanilang salaysay.
We are here to seek the truth, no? And I assure them that it will be handled fairly and professionally. No? So, yung participation nila will be very material to the result of the investigation being conducted by the Bureau.
Sa hiwalay na investigasyon naman ng PNP-CIDG, lumalabas na hindi aksidente ang nangyari.
Majority of them are in the waters. They are not directly in front of the resort, about 700 meters away. Pinapakita po doon is the condition of the sea during the time. That's one. You won't send somebody doon on that condition.
Hihingin daw ng CIDG ang drone video ni Baldwin sa team building. Hamon pa nila kay Baldwin.
Be man enough to face the investigation in the interest of justice and equity para doon sa dalawang players which you call as your brother. Because if you're talking about the yung battle cry of Bebab, band of brother, if you're a brother, hindi ka tatalikod. So help us also. Help the family attain justice.
Naglabas na rin ang DOJ ng Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order laban kina Baldwin at dating team manager ng koponan na si Epok Kimpo. Aalertuhin ang mga otoridad pag nagtangka silang lumabas ng bansa. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Gio Robles, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Mean Los Baños po, huwag magpahuli sa mga balita at impormasyong dapat ninyong malaman. Para sa mas malawak na balitaan at diskusyon, mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.